Hello, it's Kaylin from R.I.A. Federal Credit Union. Welcome back to another how-to video. We are going to be going over our community development page today. So we are at our new homepage, riafcu.com, and this is our brand new website. Today, we are going to go up to resources up in this little bar right here. And when you hover over that, you have careers, community development, disclosures, financial calculators, and how do I become a member. But today we are going to be focusing on community development. So we're going to hover over that and click it. And it brings you up to our community development page. We are building a stronger community. So if you want to request a sponsorship or donation, click this button and it'll automatically take you to the form that is located below. But we're just going to browse through this page real quick. Things get solved when you get involved. R.I.A. Federal Credit Union is committed to investing in the communities we serve. We get involved because your community is our community. Together we can build something great. If you keep scrolling down, we have our community relationships. Creating lasting relationships is part of our culture. We work with local organizations to make an impact on our community. We have our honor flight video here, our heart walk video here, and our time when we are at Hertz Donuts and surprised people with free donuts. If you scroll down, we have the request sponsorship or donation. So complete the form below to request a sponsorship or donation from R.I.A. Federal Credit Union. If you don't want to scroll through all this, you just hit this little red button right here and it brings you down below. So we require your name, first and last, phone number, email, and then if you have a website, you can add that, drop any files, or your description like, this credit union is awesome. Please sponsor our event. Ooh. And then when that's all said and done, you hit submit. Thanks for contacting us. We'll get in touch with you shortly. So then we will get that request for sponsorship or donation, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Anyways, that is going to be it for our how-to video today. If you have any more topics that you would like to know, let us know in the comment section down below. But anyways, we will see you next time for a new how-to video.